Hey guys, it's playtime. Today we have Minnie Mouse Marvelous Microwave set. Here's the back view of the box. Alright, let's start cooking. Here's our microwave oven with the signature Minnie Mouse bow on the side. It's so nice. And there's a plate inside where you can put your food. And there's the setting here. This one is for the s'mores, the pretzel, all kinds of foods like the soup and bacon. The start button. At the back, look at all the details on the sides. The battery is right here. Here's the switch button. When you turn this on, just like the real microwave oven, it would spin. This set comes with a can of soup. We have 2 mini graham crackers, Minnie Mouse marshmallow, 1 Minnie Mouse chocolate, a pretzel, and a bag of popcorn. Let's make a s'mores. Let's start with the graham cracker and the chocolate. I'll use a white Play-Doh so it would stick. Chocolate. Then the next one, we'll put this marshmallow. Let's put a white Play-Doh again so it would stay in place while we cook it in the microwave. Let's put this on top like that, and let's get another white Play-Doh, whatever color Play-Doh you like, it's okay, for as long as it would stick. I think we're good. It looks nice. It looks yummy.
Come on, let's make a treat together.
Let's put Play-Doh again at the bottom of the plate before we put on our s'mores or whatever food we would like to put in here.
Together is so much fun! Oh, the snacks are ready!
It's ready! Yum yum yum! So yummy! I love s'mores! Now let's make waffle. You don't necessarily need to follow all of these pictures. You can be creative and make your own food, whatever you like. So I put waffle in there.
Come on, let's make a treat together. Oh, the snacks are ready!
ready. Let's make a whipped cream. Put it on top. You can also put the pretend syrup. Yummy! Look at that. Now we need soup.
I sure am hungry. Wonderful smell.
Here's the s'mores for Minnie number 1. And we have this waffle for the Minnie number 2. I will also make you a tea. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.
See you later.